Hi, this is a DJI Mavic Mini Standard Edition. I've ordered this from Amazon and it's as straightforward as it looks in the box. It comes with a transmitter, or what one might call a remote controller. The range in this one is claimed to be 4 kilometers, but should you lose signal somewhere midway, you can ask it to return to home, or you can default it to land wherever it is at that particular point. This comes with a micro USB connector, however I think Type-C would have been sweet. And some more connectors here that bridges your transmitter and your mobile phone, where you can visualize what the drone is seeing, and you can probably angle your shots and videos however you like. A few other things that are included with this box are 2 pairs of spare propellers, a pair of control sticks, and a screwdriver. And of course, some manuals in the box that can always help and guide you. Also, a few more things this standard box might not include, as opposed to a Flymo combo, are propeller guards, a few more propellers, a charging hub, 2 spare batteries, and a case. Now on to the most important thing, the Mavic Mini. It's small, it's light, it weighs under 250 grams, and it has a flight time of 25 minutes. Knowing that, let's fly it. The sensors. This drone has a 12 megapixel camera that can shoot 2.7K videos at 30 fps and 1080p videos at 60 fps. It also has 2 downward facing sensors for optical flow and depth estimation that can assist with stabilization and landing. It would have been nice to have obstacle avoidance in active track. Active track can still be pushed through a firmware update. Let's see if that happens. For now, let's see what this can do.